Do you love Pickles? Can you say Pickles?
Pickles.
And what about Max? Do you love Max? You say Max?
Yeah.
Let me hear you say it, Max.
No.
Very good. What about Livy? You love Livy too, don't you?
Lily.
Yeah, very good.
Dang.
Almost. Are you going to have a baby?
Yeah.
Is a baby in Mama's belly? Yeah, can you say baby? Hi, baby.
Eat.
Oh, are you going to feed the baby? Are you giving baby food to eat?
Bye.
You're cute. Are you 2? Yeah, baby's in there. Can you say 2? I'm 2. That's hard, isn't it? You got to do these 2 fingers. There you go. 2. 1, 2. Alena is 2. Yeah, in just a minute. Can you say Alena? Good job. Okay, everybody bye-bye. Hold on, we gotta say bye.
Bye-bye.